In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix the deposit failed error on Etsy in a simple and practical way. First, understand this. A deposit failed message on Etsy means your payout couldn't be sent to your bank, usually due to incorrect details, verification issues, or bank restrictions. Now, if you want to fix the deposit failed issue on Etsy, here's what to do. Start by checking the reason for failure. Log into your account on Etsy, go to Shop Manager, then Finances and Payment Account. Etsy usually shows the exact reason why the deposit failed. Next, verify your bank details carefully. Go to Payment Settings and check your account number or IBAN, bank country, and make sure there are no typos or extra spaces. Even one incorrect digit can cause the transfer to fail. After that, confirm your account holder name matches exactly. Your Etsy account name must match your bank account or registered business name. Using someone else's bank account can lead to payout failures. Then, check if your bank account is active and supports incoming transfers. Some banks may block international payouts or require additional approval. Contact your bank if needed to allow Etsy payments. Also, complete any pending verification. If Etsy asks for identity or bank verification, finish it before retrying, as incomplete verification can stop deposits. Keep in mind that Etsy usually retries failed payouts automatically once the issue is fixed. That's it. By correcting your bank details, matching your account information, and completing verification, you can resolve the deposit failed error and receive your earnings without delays.